to Live from the Camper, Mardi Gras edition. This is video 3, where we're gonna tie it all together. Remember the first video? We made that delicious gumbo. In the second video, we made that fantastic dirty rice. Oh yeah. And in this one, we're making the Ragin' Cajun Chicken. Well, are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. Let's start off by preheating the Ninja Foodi at 375 degrees. We're gonna preheat for 10 minutes. While we're doing that, let's go ahead and cut some thin slices of peppers. The 8 quart's noisy, isn't it? But it cooks good. Do the same with the red pepper. Get that chicken, and now we're gonna put 5 slits into the chicken, but don't go all the way through. It's gonna be the pocket where we stuff all the good stuff in. Put the chicken in a bowl. And drizzle some olive oil over it. 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic that is, and a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Set in there real good on it. Let's flip it over and do this side as well. Spread the chicken apart. Let's put a bell pepper in there. Red pepper in there. And turn it this way. Now you can use any cheese you want. I like Colby Jack. Pepper Jack would be awesome in there too. Oh, there's an explode. Just kind of break off some cheese, put it right in the middle there. And onion. Maybe. Okay. Well, we preheated for 10 minutes. Let's put the chicken in there, carefully. Hear that? It's hot. Well, I guess I touched raw chicken and then put them in these mitts. So I guess I have to go wash these now. Well, now we're gonna bake for 25 minutes. Well, the recipe says 25 minutes for the chicken, but that's for 3 chicken breasts. So it made me think for a minute. I was like, oh no, I better go check it. After 15 minutes, it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and temp it one more time, but it temped at 167 after 15 minutes. And I have to remember I'm using the 8-quart Ninja Foodi, which cooks faster. Oh yeah, we're good. Yes, I did wash those little silicone mitts out. That's why I'm using the UV glove. Let's pull that out here. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, it smells amazing, looks amazing. Can't wait to dig into that. All right, so I toasted up a little baguette with some butter. I made my wife's gumbo with the shrimp in it. Got a little tri-pepper. I'm gonna color it up a little bit, make it festive. And there you have it. We have the delicious gumbo, with now is sausage, chicken, and shrimp gumbo, dirty rice, and Ragin' Cajun chicken. Well, let's get in there and try some of that Ragin' Cajun chicken. Wow, the flavor is amazing. Sorry, I don't mean to talk with my mouth full. That chicken is so tender and moist, and then that seasoning just bam, smacks you in the mouth. Get the cheese and the peppers, that's so good. I think pepper jack will be too hot for me, but I know a lot of you out there like it really spicy, so put pepper jack in there instead of Colby jack. But between that gumbo, that dirty rice, and that chicken, woo-wee, that's some good food right there, I guarantee. Well, I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good, let's eat.